Welcome back. Back again. Yes, I'm back. Tell your friends. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hello. How are y'all doing? Fine. I hope today is Monday, November the 29th, and I am back with a wig review. So this company was so nice to send us this wig to review, so I'm going to review it. But before we get into that, make sure you are following me, stalking me. We are buddies, besties, pals on all social media sites. They will also be listed in the description below. Check it out. And if you like this wig that you're about to see, hit up Amazon and check out the company. Let's get into it. So they were so nice to have sent me over this 14-inch curly bob, because that's what it says, y'all. I'm getting hot, so it's sweater coming off. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna need some water. Oh, this hair is so soft, y'all, and it feels so good. I'm gonna see if I can play with it without wetting it, because I ain't got my water bottle right now. But I am going to cut off this lace and it gives. It's giving what it's supposed to give. You got your comb and your adjustable straps in the back. Some combs at the top. So let's cut off this lace. Matter of fact, wait. I am going to get my conditioner to wet it. Wait. I'm sorry, y'all. They woke up mama's and she crying. So let's cut off this lace. Shall we? I'm so sorry. Why y'all making her cry? Give her some milk. This is not working for me, y'all. So I'm gonna rip it and wing it, because them isn't doing no justice. None whatsoever. And I'm just cutting off this little bit of excess lace that I couldn't get. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna get this little snippet right there. And okay. So now I'm just gonna fix this adjustable band, and then we're gonna install the wig. Ooh, I like that. She's cute. Okay, so now let's go in here with this. I brought it off of Amazon and designed these curls. And I just took a little bit, and I'm just gonna do that. And this is the shedding I got from cutting the hair. But other than that, y'all better go catch this wig. It is only $87 from this company on Amazon, and it is a cute, easy slay. Summertime vacation fun wig, yes. Bahamas is ready for me. And she's 14 inches. And I'm loving this wig, y'all. Do y'all see that? See? And it's nothing, these girls is popping, y'all. Popping. So until our next video, stay blessed, not stressed. Later, dolls and gents.